girls, we are in a new video from Newlacecu office. We are in Qingdao, China. We are producer of hair system and wigs, lace wigs, hair extension. Today I let you see a stock lace wig in Indian Remy hairs. This system is very good to have an indetectable front and to have transpiration. I let you see 50 centimeter length straighten hairs, Indian hairs. These are in stock in different sizes, small, medium or large. You can order also different hair colors, also European hairs. This system is very good to front. You can see the front totally undetectable. You can use in it tapes or glue. I let you see the base because we have two different base to this total hair system. I remember this hair system is to European people. It's not the black woman front lace wig. This is a better hair system with more density, different knots, bleached knots. We can make all a lace or we can add how we made in this polyurethane also in front, and we can put half centimeter back respect to front, so you put here tapes and here glue. You will have transpiration, strong adhesion, undetectable hairline. How you can see in our shop online newlacecu.com, we have a different total hair system and partial hair system to women and men. The lace wig is one of the most important total wigs to women. It's a good option, nice hairs, different colors, a good right part, center part. I hope you like this video. I remember you, we have a channel, Instagram, a Facebook channel. Subscribe, active the bell. We see you next video. Bye bye.